Hi there, Ali Mills from the Ali Mills group here, and today I wanted to give you an overview of the real estate market on the East Side based on what happened in December. And my goodness, I wish I had a different story to tell you. I'm beginning to feel a little bit like a scratch record, and I'm sure you're bored of hearing the same headlines, and I'm bored of telling you the same headlines, but really the headline is it's historic low inventories, which is leading to multiple offers. At the end of December, there were just 188 active residential properties on the whole of the East Side. That is the lowest it has been for any month for the past 30 years, if not longer. As a result of that, 49% of home sales in December closed above list price, and with a median amount of about 7% above list price. So it continues to be super competitive. And how long is this going to go on for? Who knows? I wish I could tell you that the end was in sight, but as long as inventory remains this low, I think we are going to be in this uber competitive market, particularly if interest rates also remain this low. However, what I will share, looking into my crystal ball, the last time the market was this crazy was in about March 2017 and 2018. I don't believe what we're in right now is sustainable for a great length of time. And in both those years, the brakes were suddenly put on. We weren't seeing a reversal in prices, but we definitely saw pretty much overnight a very dramatic slowdown in activity. In 2018, that happened in March. In 2017, we actually saw it flattening in March, and then we gradually saw the number of multiple offers declining in May. And really what we saw in both those years were buyers just suddenly threw up their hands and said, you know what, I'm done. I can't compete at this level anymore. I'm going to wait and see what happens. New inventory came on the market, and suddenly we went from 0.5 months supply of inventory and 50% of homes selling above list price, 65% even, to 1.5, close to 2 months supply of inventory. Buyers were taking their time. We were still seeing homes going under contract in about 20 days, but 20 days is very different from 5 days. So as a result, the level of multiple offers did decline. And looking into my crystal ball, that is what I predict is going to happen. The big question is, when is it going to happen? Is it going to happen in 2 months' time? Is it going to happen in 6 months' time? We simply don't know. Really, the only difference between now and both those years is we have much lower interest rates. So I wish I could tell you a different story. Sellers, I think if you are on the fence about selling, then now may be as good a time as any. As I said, I don't think this is going to be sustainable for too much longer. So if you really want to capitalize on the market high, then I wouldn't delay too long. Buyers, I don't think there's going to be a change in prices, so you could wait, but I think your house is going to be more expensive if you do wait a year. But fingers crossed, a couple of months and you might not be competing with quite so many people, which might just make it a little bit easier to buy a house versus not necessarily any cheaper. So hope that helps. As ever, you know where I am. Call, email, text, follow me on social media. Would love to hear from you. And I hope all is well. Take care. All right, all the best. Bye.